Hello everyone, welcome to EduSoft. So today we are going to start on a very important topic, that is digital documentation. So what we will going to learn in this session? We will going to learn about working with tables, formatting a table, page printing options and printing a document. So all these topics we are going to cover in this session. Let's start our session. So this is our LibreOffice. We have different options over here. We have writer document. We have calculator spreadsheet. We have Impress presentation. We have draw drawing. We have math formula. And we have base database. So we are going to work on writer document. As you've seen, we have already one document over here under the name text1. So what we are going to do, I am going to open this document. What you have to do to open a document, you have to double click over here and your document will open in a writer document. It will take some seconds. So this is your document under the name text1. So in this session, what we will going to learn? We will going to learn about how we can work with tables. So tables are used to display given data in the form of rows and columns. Tables are very useful in organizing and representing the data in an easier and effective way. Let's say if we take an example, there is a garment shopkeeper who wants to maintain the detailed list of the dresses that are available in his shop. So a table will be a better option for him. In tables, we have two options. Number one, that is row, and number second, that is column. A row is the horizontal series of cells in the table, while column is the vertical series of cells in a column. So first of all, we need to understand how we can insert a table. Suppose this is my document and I want to insert a table over here. So what you have to do, you have to place a cursor over here. After this, what you have to do, you have to go to this table menu. आपको क्या करना है? आपको टेबल में जाना है एंड इन टेबल यू कैन फाइंड वन ऑप्शन दैट इज द इंसर्ट टेबल. सो व्हाट इज द कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट टू इंसर्ट अ टेबल? कंट्रोल प्लस F12 is the keyboard shortcut to insert a table. So what you have to do, you have to go to table. In this you can find one option that is insert table. आपने क्या किया? Insert table पे क्लिक किया. So now a small window will appear like this. In this, you have different options. You have name. What is the name of your table? What name you want to be for your table? You have columns. You can increase the number of columns you want. You can increase the number of rows you want. So this is the option for heading. If you want a heading for your table for the rows and columns, so you can choose this option. So what you have to do, you have to just tick this option. Now, you have different styles over here. So you have one that is the default table style, which looks like this. You have academic table style. You have box list blue table style. You have box list green table style. You have elegant, you have financial, simple grid columns, you have simple grid rows, you have simple grid shaded. So there are different options for the styles of your table in which you want to choose. So let's say I want to choose this one, that is the default table style, like this one. So what I have to do, I have to click on default table style, and after this, what I have to do, I have to click on over here, that is the insert. The moment I click on insert, you can see a table over here. जो आपका टेबल का फॉर्मेट होगा, जो बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर है, वो आपके पास आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में आ जाएगा. So these are columns. The vertical series of cells, they are known as columns, and the horizontal series of cells, they are known as rows. Now we need to understand one term, that is the cells. So what is cells? The intersection of row and column makes a rectangular box which is called a cell. So you can see this rectangular box. ये क्या होता है? ये आपका cell होता है. So this is table, these are columns and these are rows, and this rectangular box, this is cell. Now we need to understand more about table. So let's start. So you can write over here. So the first one is for heading. So let's say I want to give the heading as item, and here I want to give the heading like as price, and here I want to give the heading like for discount. Now coming to first row. So in first row, what I want the heading is onion. So the price is it's for 120 and the discount given is 20. Same, I want to write like carrot, and the price for carrot is 50 and the discount that is given over it is 10. So this is your row. In this way, you can fill out all the necessary details which you want in your table. So let's understand once again what is the keyboard shortcut to insert a table. The keyboard shortcut to insert a table is Control plus F12. Now coming to very first one, that is the formatting a table. If we talk about formatting a table, we need to understand few points like how we can merge cells in a table, how we can split cells in a table. So coming to very first one, that is merging cells. Merging cells means combining two or more cells into one cell. मर्जिंग का क्या मतलब होता है? जैसे आपके पास दो सेल हैं, आपने क्या किया, दोनों सेल को क्या किया आपने, कंबाइन, और कंबाइन होने के बाद इट विल टर्न इनटू वन सेल. So this is known as merging a cell. So what you have to do, suppose these are the cells which I want to merge. आपको क्या करना होगा, you have to select the cells which you want to merge. मुझे ये दो cells हैं जो मुझे merge करने हैं. So after this what I have to do, you have to select cells, and after this you have to go to this table, and in table you can find one option that is the merge cells. So when you click on this merge cell, तो आपने देखा कि जो आपके दोनों cells थे वो यहाँ पे merge हो गए हैं. Now it will turn into one cell. Now coming to next one, that is the splitting a cell. So splitting a cell का क्या मतलब होता है? Dividing a single cell into multiple cells is called splitting a cell. So what you have to do, suppose this is the cell which I want to split. So what you have to do, you have to go to this table, and in table you can find one option that is the split cell. When I click on this split cell, a window will appear like this. So it will have some options like split cell into. So if you select one cell, so how many new cell you want to split your cell? Suppose I want to split it into 3. And this is for direction, that is the horizontally, and the vertically in which direction you want to split your cell. So here I choose horizontally direction. After choosing all the correct options, all the according options, what you have to do, you have to click over here, that is the OK. Now you can see कि जो आपका एक सेल था वो क्या हुआ है, वो 3 डिफरेंट सेल्स में डिवाइड हो गया है. हमने क्या किया था, हमने डायरेक्शन में हॉरिजॉन्टल चूज किया था, तो हमारे जो सेल्स हुए हैं वो हॉरिजॉन्टली डिवाइड हुए हैं. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन वर्क अपॉन फॉर्मेटिंग अ टेबल. Under formatting a text, we can see another topic, that is the text alignment in the cell. So what do you mean by text alignment? The alignment refers to setting the direction of the text. Suppose you have this text, that is the item in a cell. So what I want to change the text alignment in here. So what I have to do, I have to just place the cursor over here, and you can see here, this is for center align, this is for right align, and this is for justified. So if I want to it be a center align, so what I have to do, I have to click over here, that is the center align. Control plus E is the keyboard shortcut for center aligning your text. So in this way, you can work upon the text alignment inside the cell. Now coming to another topic, that is the adding rows and columns in a table. Suppose what if I want to add more rows and more columns in a table? Can I do this thing? Yes, you can do this thing. Once a table is created, additional rows and columns can be added. What you have to do, you have to just place the cursor. मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे और भी रो ऐड करनी है. Suppose here I want to add one row. So what I have to do to add a row? You have to click a cell, you have to place your cursor over the cell, and what you have to do, you have to go to this table. आपको क्या करना है, either you can go to this table toolbar. So this is your table toolbar, you can work upon this also, or you can go to this table, and here you can find one option that is insert. तो आपको क्या करना होगा, आपको रोज को इंसर्ट करना है. इन दिस यू कैन फाइंड डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस लाइक रोज अबव, यू कैन फाइंड रोज बिलो. You have rows, you have column above and column below, column before and column after, sorry. So if I want to add row above, so what I have to do, I have to click over here, that is the row above. तो इससे क्या होगा कि जिस रो पे आपका कर्सर था उसके above एक रो प्लेस हो जाएगी. Now if I want to add row just below the cursor row, so what I have to do, I have to go to this table and here insert and I have to click over here, that is the row below. तो इससे क्या हुआ कि आपकी जो आपका रो कर्सर था उसके नीचे आपकी एक रो ऐड हो जाएगी. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन ऐड रोज इन योर टेबल. नाउ कमिंग टू कॉलम, सो इन द सेम वे जस्ट लाइक द रो यू कैन ऐड कॉलम्स टू. Suppose this is the price column and I want to add one column before the price. So what I have to do, I have to place a cursor over here and after this I have to go to this table. In this you can find option that is the column before. So you have to click over here. तो इससे क्या होगा कि जो प्राइस का कॉलम है उससे पहले एक कॉलम ऐड हो जाएगा. Same, if I want to add one column after the price column, so what you have to do, you have to go to this table and in insert you can find one option that is the column after. So what you have to do, you have to click over here on column after, जिससे क्या होगा कि जो आपका प्राइस का कॉलम है उसके बाद एक कॉलम ऐड हो जाएगा. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन ऐड मोर रोज एंड मोर कॉलम्स टू योर टेबल. नाउ कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज डिलीटिंग रोज एंड कॉलम्स इन अ टेबल. So to delete any row or column or any table in a document, what you have to do, suppose if I want to delete this row, so what I have to do, I have to place a cursor over here and in table you can find one option that is the delete. So in delete you can find option like rows, columns and table. So this is to delete a row, this is for deleting a column and this is for deleting the entire table. What I want to delete a row. So what I have to do, I have to click over here and you can see कि जो अनियन के ऊपर वाली रो थी वो यहाँ से डिलीट हो गई है. Now what I want to delete one column. So suppose we can say I want to delete this column. So what you have to do, you have to just place a cursor over here. After this you have to go to table. In delete you can find one option that is the column. So the column will be deleted like this. So in this way you can delete rows and columns from a table. Suppose what if I want to delete the entire table? So what you have to do, just place the cursor anywhere in the table. आपको क्या करना है, आपको कहीं पे भी कर्सर को प्लेस करना है and after this you have to click over here, that is the table, and in delete you can just click over here, that is the table. तो इससे क्या होगा कि जो आपकी entire table है वो यहाँ से delete हो जाएगी. Now coming to next one, that is copying a table. So table can be copied just like any text piece or any other object. What you have to do, you have to select the table and you can use keyboard shortcut like Ctrl plus C to copy a table and Ctrl plus V to paste a table in the required location and the required page. So suppose this is your table and if I want to copy this table, so what I have to do, I have to Ctrl plus C. I have to press Ctrl plus C. And after this, suppose I want to paste this table over here. So what I have to press, I have to press Ctrl plus V in this way. So in this way, you can copy your table, you can paste your table like this. So here we complete everything about the table. What we have learned so far, we have learned how we can insert a table. There is a keyboard shortcut that is Ctrl plus F12 to insert a table. How we can format a table. So in formatting a table, we have already covered merging cells and splitting cells, text alignment in the cell. We have already covered this topic, that is for adding rows and columns in a table. How we can add more rows and more columns in a table. We have already covered this part, that is deleting rows, columns in a table and how we can delete entire table from the document. Now coming to next topic, that is to print a document. Now we are going to understand if I want to print a document, how I can print my document. Suppose this is the document which I want to print. So what you have to do, you have to just go to this file. आपको क्या करना है, आपको file पे जाना है. In this you can find different options for print. you can find one option, that is the print. And what is the keyboard shortcut for print a document? That is Control plus P. You can find another option, that is the print preview. So what is the keyboard shortcut for this one? The keyboard shortcut is Control plus Shift plus O. So you need to understand Control plus P is the keyboard shortcut to print a document, and Control plus Shift plus O is the keyboard shortcut to get the preview of your print. So here what I am going to do, I am going to just click over here, that is the printer setting. A small window will appear like this, and here what you have to do, you have to click over here, that is the properties. After clicking on properties, you can find different options for the orientation. Like you have portrait orientation. If you want to change it to landscape one, you can find different options in advanced also, that is for the paper size. If you want to change the paper size for A3, A4, A5 or executive, legal, letter, statement or tabloid, you can have copy count, how many copy count you want to print. So in this way, you can change the settings accordingly. You can choose the options accordingly. After choosing all the options, what you have to do, you have to just click over here. That is the OK part. So in this way, you can print a document. So let's say I want to print a document. So what I have to do, I have to click over here. That is the Control plus P. After clicking on Control plus P, you can find the different options over here. That is the printer option. That is the range and copies. For example, you have this option that is for the all pages, and you have this option that is for the pages. So you can write the pages like if I want to find like 2, 4, 5. Or you can also mention the pages like from 2 to 6 like this. So there are different ways to mention the pages which you want to print. You have like odd and even pages option over here, whether you want to print the odd pages only, whether you want to print the even pages only. You have this paper size options over here. So there are different paper sizes which you want to choose from. You have orientation, that is the automatic or portrait and landscape. So there are many options in here also in which you want to change accordingly. You have different options which you can choose accordingly. After choosing all the options, what you have to do, you have to just click over here, that is the print, and your document will be printed. So that's all for today. What we have learned so far, we have covered the following topics, like we have covered the basic introduction to table. What are the different topics, what we can work on tables. We have already covered printing a document. So here digital documentation is completed now. We have different videos on digital documentation. You can go through our YouTube channel to access more videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.